How to fix Bluestacks crashing on Windows. Hey everyone, let's get started. Does your Bluestacks keep on crashing? Then here are some of the solutions. For the first solution, what you can do is completely uninstall all the Bluestacks files from your device. Once that is done, go to its official website and again install the new one, but make sure that it is compatible to your device. This should probably fix your problem. However, if this is not working, the next step is to update the drivers. For that, on the search bar, type in Device Manager. Once that is open, you will see this interface. Hereby, you have to extend on Display Adapters, right-click on it and click on Update Drivers. You can either browse through your device or you can click on the automatic one. Once that is done, you can also update your drivers or update your Windows. And just by that, you will be fixing your problem. This was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.